Hello everyone, this is Keith Jackson and welcome to Jack's Math Notebook. In this video, we're going to continue our study of how to solve equations with radicals, and we're going to show you how to solve them with these three big examples. Let's take a look at the first big example in which we have the square root of x minus 4 is equal to 3, and we're going to follow this theme as we work these problems out, and that theme is square each term, and that's exactly what we're going to do in this case. So we're going to square the square root of x minus 4, and then we're going to square 3 right here. And when we square the square root, it just simply releases the term inside. So now we have x minus 4, and we know that 3 squared is 9, and so we have x minus 4 is equal to 9. And let's balance the equation by adding 4 to both sides, in which we're going to do right now. And when we do that, we discover that x is equal to 13. And when we check, we know that 13 minus 4 would give us 9, and the square root of 9 is equal to 3, as you see right here. And keeping in mind, the square root of a number is just simply that number on the side of a square. And let's move on to big example 2, in which we have the square root of x plus 3 is equal to 5. Keeping in mind our theme for today, square each term, we're going to square the square root of x plus 3, and we're going to square 5. And here's what's going to happen. We're going to have x plus 3 is equal to 25. And we're going to balance this equation so we can isolate x by subtracting 3 from both sides. And when we do that, we will discover that x is equal to 22. And when we plug in 22 right here in place of x, we know that 22 plus 3 will equal 25. And we know that the square root of 25 is equal to 5. And let's move on to the third big example, in which we have the square root of x plus 9 is equal to 1, keeping in mind our theme of squaring each term, and that's precisely what we're going to do. And so when we square the square root of x plus 9, we're going to end up with x plus 9, and when we square 1, we're going to end up with 1. And let us balance the equation by subtracting 9 from both sides, and when we do that, we have x is equal to a negative 8. And so when we plug in a negative 8 where x should be, we know that a negative 8 plus 9 is really the same as saying 9 minus 8, which will give us 1. And we know that the square root of 1 is equal to 1, y'all. Okay, you have been given a lot of information. I wouldn't blame you if you need to pause the video to take a look at these three big examples or replay this video as many times you need to gain a deeper understanding. Please comment, share, like, and subscribe to Jack's Math Notebook for more content. Thank you and goodbye.